Utz Brands has agreed to be taken private in a $2.9 billion deal with Intersnack, giving the European snacking powerhouse its first foothold in the U.S. market. For more on this, we're joined by Bloomberg Intelligence analyst Jibril Lawal, and Bloomberg's Bailey Lipschultz is here to discuss another foods deal that is Jersey Mike's. Let's start with Utz. You point out that this was a 91% premium. That feels kind of insane for a snacking brand. What made this for Intersnack so attractive and so willing for them to pay up?
Well, yes, I see this as a geographic expansion play, right? Intersnacks is a business that's heavily concentrated in Europe as well as Oceania. But what it does is it offers the opportunity for it to expand into the U.S., right? Right now, Utz holds about a 4% share of the $37 billion U.S. salty snacks market, and it has brands like Zapp, Utz, Boulder Canyon, as well as its long manufacturing footprint, its diverse and hybrid distribution model, as well as expanding penetration in core region, in regions outside of its core Northeast region, should allow for it to continue to expand.
So it's clear why that would be attractive for Intersnack, but I wonder about the wider ecosystem. To you, is this a signal that we could see more deals down the pike in snacking, in foods and packaged items?
Yes. So what I would say is I don't think this deal was done in isolation, right? We saw Mars acquire Kellanova late last year. We saw Treehouse get taken private by Invest Industrials, and now we have this, right? But what I would say, quite frankly, is that the packaged food industry has been going through a period of kind of slower organic sales growth, and that's primarily because of consumers, budget-strapped consumers, who they're not purchasing as much, or they're being more selective with their purchasing. So now, naturally, what is an alternative strategic growth lever? That's M&A. So we like to see, I expect more consolidation and the potential for bolt-on acquisitions for these companies as they start to look for that next start or that kickstart of growth.